Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to accept manual payments on your Wix website. This is incredibly useful if you want to offer flexible payment options like cash, money orders, or offline transactions to your customers. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, you'll need to locate the settings option on the left navigation menu. You'll typically find this toward the bottom part of your left side menu, so scroll down if needed and click on it. This is where you'll access all the core configurations for your site, including payment settings. Once you're on the settings page, look for the Accept Payments option. You'll find this under the Finance and Payments section. Go ahead and click on it. This section is designed to help you manage all the different ways you can collect payments from your customers, whether through online gateways or manual methods. Now you'll be directed to the Wix Payments page. Here you'll see various options to accept and connect different payment forms. Take a moment to browse through the available options, but for this tutorial, we want to focus on manual payments. Locate the manual payments option and click on Connect. This opens up the setup process for accepting payments that don't go through an automated online gateway. Now it's time to set up and configure your manual payments. Start by selecting the payment type from the drop-down menu. You can choose between manual cash, offline, or cash on delivery, depending on what works best for your business model. Each of these options gives your customers a clear understanding of how they're expected to pay. In the field below, you'll need to add your payment instructions. This is where you provide specific details, such as a link for payment, an address for sending money orders, or instructions for submitting vouchers or checks. Be as clear and detailed as possible here so your customers know exactly what to do. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click on Connect. This finalizes the setup and makes manual payments available as an option for your customers during checkout. And that's it. You've successfully set up manual payments on your Wix website. Your customers now have the flexibility to pay through offline methods, which can be especially helpful for local businesses or those dealing with customers who prefer traditional payment options. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.